On the gas station. Pull of the roof you peel off and park over there, say, you know. This was a Airbnb? Wow. The same thing I talk about with small business, you know. This can affect a lot of small business. Some small business might not recover from things like this.
Never recover.
Yeah. Let me show. Look out. Full of mud.
Full of mud. Flood out.
Flood out. Whole all down them side. Flood out. Yeah. Watch it. So, work in progress. Alan Bamboo the last time, it was all brown.
Them a try to build back stronger still and people are trying to stay alive and so
Watch it. Youth. She is supposed to be here for years and look there. That's himself. So see there? Beautiful. I'm giving you an update. As you can see, they're still devastated. I like a town here, like, right?
Man, well, it's a White House stone.
Okay, so we're in a White House. Look at this. Wow. Beautiful, beautiful Westmoreland.
Get it in the bro.
Which part are we there?
Alright, so we're there in a
okay.
Where you get your bammy, fish, soup, crayfish.
People. Yeah, watch out. So when you come visit, man, and come give us support. Alright, so we're in a Savlamar. One time I look at you and say Salalamar. Mash up. No school for no for youths, man. You know long when I come them places, man. Jeez, road. Along these areas, all of these lights you are seeing are solar lights.
You come with it mash up still, you see it?
Yeah.
That good look now, bro.
Yeah.
Dark it true, bro.
Yeah, I don't lie. The place, big difference. Place it look parched and brown. Give thanks. Yeah, my father, look at that. Place was brown and parched, looking parched and dry. Look at this. Greenery all around. The sign of Jamaica Zoo, yeah. See you at Jamaica Zoo. And a Scooby-Doo. Look how the sun come out back. Yeah, watch a clear sky. Back so beer so. Give thanks. At least it's a glimmer of hope. Man, no say on a beer. Yeah, no say on a beer rain. Yeah. Place greener for sure. I expect to see the place so pretty already still. Give thanks. Give thanks.
It's a good look, bro.
Yeah.
See there? I just passed a house up a blow off. Everything else fixed up so far.
Yeah.
I love that, man.
Yeah.
This is St. Elizabeth. And what are they over here?
When we are pass through a beer devastation, we are pass through them parts, yeah. You say, brother, back out again, though.
Outside again, you know?
Yes, I.
Yeah, man.
You
have some more thing, you don't know?
Mandel
people,
Foundation.
Big up when you say one Mandel Foundation. Outside again, I do it for the people. And we say, that way till the rush ease off. See there, and we want out, you know. So, I did the right way, because you don't know. Yeah, man, but all over we are so far. Place green and look good.
Alright, that is it. That is good. So, we're on the journey. You heard me? We never drive through the town last time. First, I come through the town from the whole event. So this is an update of what the town looks like at the moment. You know? Yeah. It don't look bad because if we could go back to the images we see how it has to look. A few months ago. A few weeks. Yeah? Look on the difference. Look at the difference. So work actually are going, man. Yeah, cause remember I seen footage down them side there. Full of mud. Flood out. Whole all down them side there. Flood out in them places. Bank flood out. Yeah, watch it. So work in progress, man. Mother still closed. Cause see there. One of them part they did flood out. The whole of them areas they did flood out. So it's a good look right now. Yeah. But I tell you lie, I never expect to see so much progress. Because they can't say the place clean down.
Yeah. Like the window them broke out.
Broke out, glass them, broke out, all of the glass them.
Them get it, man.
Yeah. Sure. So the town look lively and back in action again. And thing. You can see the market, people them come out, vendors them out. Yeah, the place active, man. Food a cook. Couple weeks ago you wouldn't see this, none at all. Yeah. And as you can look around, you can still see the reminders of what took place here. But life is being brought back into the town and we love that. Yeah. People out and about. You know, it's not a bad look, my people.
Then I said the zoo there. The zoo there, run this.
Run this, away.
Run this, over this.
Can you see it for God zoo?
Black over zoo.
We're reaching the devastation, you know, my people. Whoa. Welcome to, what is?
St. Elizabeth.
No, west what? Northwest, Northwest?
Northwest St. Elizabeth.
Northwest St. Elizabeth. Oh, in Lacovia. Oh, we are give thanks to Jamaica. Yeah. So, this is the view in Lacovia. Yeah, power line still down. Most of these areas were badly damaged by the hurricane, but I'm truly surprised to see the major improvement from the last time. Whoa, up on a church, yeah? Latin. Look at this church, people. Yo, there's so much destruction down here. Oh, we are going to Alan Bamboo, you know.
This way, we're in Alan Bamboo now.
We're in Alan Bamboo here, the peanuts and the coconuts. Famous of peanut, raw peanuts and coconuts. So, this is the famous Alan Bamboo. We're heading into Alan Bamboo area, and as you can see, my people, Alan Bamboo is no more. And I don't know if it's going to regrow and look like what it was before. But it is totally discharged. As you can see before, when we were coming through Alan Bamboo the last time, it was all brown. Now it is green and looking lush. Alan Bamboo is getting back. As you can see, the bamboos are starting to curve back over the road. So it's a good look, it's a good sign. Remember when you said look last time, brother man? Church of God, no green, never there. Now watch out. Yes, so we give thanks. Place is coming back, and as you can see, bamboo start curve back over the road again. But that was one of my fear, you know, if the bamboo got curve back over the road, you know.
They might curve back.
Yeah, they might curve. There's a good look, my people.
Nature take back its course, huh?
Yes, right. Right, go Westmoreland side, you know. Over the Alan Bamboo. So who know Jamaica know how long we are going to take to reach. So we expect to see what go on the way. Look on the difference, just the brown. This, if you could remember what this area looked like the last time. No. It's a major difference. You can still see some remnants of what it was before. Like some areas still have the brown, but mostly green right now. Yeah. These are some of the badly affected areas we are driving through in St. Elizabeth. And if you look to the right, that is a container that is flipped onto its side. And there is still unsettled stagnant water, which will become a breeding ground for mosquitoes. So the place is just looking dry and parched. Look at this. Whoa. Yeah, the place is going back or getting back to what it was. So you know, say in the next 2-3 months, you're going to see a major improvement with the condition of the environment. So I'm going to update on that, you know. Yeah, like how we're giving you an update right now. It's a landslide that
Just not the time to do that. No.
there is a landslide. Shell down. Cha-cha.
Them a try to build back stronger still and people are trying to stay alive and something.
Yeah.
Try to stay happy with me.
Jamaican resilient, you know. Yeah, we always try to find laughter throughout a rough situation, you know. But as my brother say, first time come down here, brought tears to him eyes when he might reflect back on everything and so forth, you know. You see the condition. Yeah, it's rough, man. But look at this. People out here have vent, so the place a come back. The place a come back. I love that.
Yes, dog. Yo. Just imagine true. No, I'm just right now imagine say within the time when the storm are going and the people, the things them are fly and people in a house and house are lift up. That's supposed to
scary. Supposed to scary. Look at this. The people them are come. Yo, Jamaican resilient, you know. Cause I can sure say all of them places did mash up.
Tear up.
All of these places was destroyed. And look here. People them back and out. And years I stop here saying where would I come from and why it's false. I will stop here so one time and have some food. And see there? Doubt if them places did if the condition was the same like now. Let me show, let go t-shirt, let go t-shirt.
Or, see them still shallow.
Devastation still real out here with people.
Now put back the things together, them house to bro. So imagine them wealthier than we.
Judge you.
It's gonna take years, brother, for real.
And this is going to mash up, no, watch it. This is going to set back enough small business to you know, because enough small business barely a whole land. So imagine when them go get this here now.
Run us away, yesterday.
Oh, run aside, that's why you say?
Yeah.
Okay.
Shell it to you know you what?
Yeah. Yo, this is crazy. But the greatest thing, the green way you can see say the life will come back in the land, you know? Sure, got this roof, all the shingles gone from off it. Oh. So what you think with what you see right now, my bro?
I think people must have a continue stay unite and continue support the people because trust me, it will take years.
True.
If first world country take a while to rebuild when storm come. Imagine a third world nation. So that take years, man. So we have to continue stay unite and just help out who can help out.
Yeah.
And do the right thing. You see it? Because people need the strength same way. You see it? So who can continue still give a support and donate and just do it. Anybody who don't know where I go, can just link them and just do it and think. But it's a good look so far in terms of like tree them a grow back on something that you look up encouragement, you know, kind of place green and look, you know, flourish and things. So you look encouragement, but the building them still down. Most of the building them mash up, so church right there, so still mash up,
still
so
no roof.
So
I've been past a lot of building and houses, no roof. Some still flattened, still completely flattened. So the devastation real and the help is still needed out here, my people. So whatever you can do, whatever you can donate, please do, cause it is needed, you know. Watch a roof completely gone from this. Look at that. No roof. Whoa. Watch a light post broke, rooted. When you mash up same here, man. So imagine further down. You have to look some. Shell out. Jeez,
the house them, man.
Watch it. Judge youth. Crazy. And next also what is a gun. Last night, I did I'm laid down from bed and I say, I know people still can't do this right now, you know. Just lay down in them bed, you know. Charge you can see there. Same thing. I post down. Can you imagine how you said it look last time, man. Cause if the tree them a grow back the leaf and look how it look. Imagine how it did look last time. Such a big old hole there. The light post after light post down. So these areas are without light still. These areas are without light. Down power line. So there's no light in these areas, my people. No light. You know, say cow run out pan we what day. Cow run out pan we what day. I mean, I tell you where I come from, Portland. I mean, I have to stop and one runner come to me, I have to swing come over the side there. To come out time way. Oh yeah, run out pan the road, you know. I have to watch them cow, yeah. You can't frighten them too. Check. Down power lines some miles. We just start recording people, but I tell you down power lines from way back. Now look at this, you can see some more up ahead. Yeah, so no light for months. Oh, when this is going to change? Look at this. Down power lines for miles and miles. This is border, yeah, talk, I know.
This is the border of St. Elizabeth and Westmoreland.
Okay.
Where you get your bammy, fish, soup, best crayfish fish, the right as crayfish soup, the right as up. You see me, fish, everything. Everything you can think of. Once you pull up, man, there's a rush of car, so. Everything, it from a mile away, I smell the food.
Yeah, because I smell the food from around the corner and I wonder where it come from, you know. Yeah, when we pass back, we have to go stop. Jamaican people resilient, you know. You think Jamaican people are normal people? Yeah, watch out. So when you come visit, man, and come give us support my people. Right, so we're in Westmoreland. Alright. And this road I heading to White House, alright?
Belmont, Bluefields.
Alright. So we are go Belmont and Bluefields. And then
the prettiest beach in the restaurant.
Alright, so the boss tell me say we are going to see some of the most beautiful beach in Westmoreland, you know? Yeah, so stay tuned for that, my people. You don't want to miss that one day. Alright? All of these houses you're seeing here sustain major damages because of the hurricane, and right behind them, that is the ocean, so they are right on the coastline. So all of the houses you're looking at lost most or all of the roofs, so this area was badly impacted. On the mountain, man, you can see something run through the mountain, you know. Yo, the mountain look like somebody that will try to mow it, but they never do a good job. Yeah, Cha youth. You can imagine it look few months or a couple weeks back. Cha God, on the lines and power lines. No electricity down them side here, people. None at all. You have to have a generator. Huge tree, that tree is supposed to be here for years, and look there. Melissa, take weight prime. Cha. Alright, so in a White House town. So you say you can't tell me about White House?
White House town for lobster, fish, and it's a fish area. So when I think about seafood, I think about White House. White House people are very loving and caring. So the female them take care of you, man.
Oh gosh.
Them not for know you, them take care of you, right?
Oh gosh.
White House police station, one of the best police station as well.
Alright.
People look out for people. Them get things done. Them not cap. Them get things done. Them fix things.
That is it. So you hear from the boss himself. So see there? Beautiful Jamaica we in, you know, and we are show you what go on. You know, show you, giving you an update months after. This is in January 2026, the 4th of January. And we're giving you an update. As you can see, there's still devastation, but the people are doing what they can to bring back life to some form of normalcy. Big up all Jamaicans, you know. And big up everyone who donated. Big up everyone who took the time out to come and help out, you know. Yeah man, whether you're overseas or Jamaica. Yeah man, big up yourself right through. That is it. From cameras and TJ Mandel Foundation.
Big up.
Alright, that is it. I like a town here, like, right?
No, well, it's a White House stone.
Okay, so we're in a White House town, this, alright?
Yeah, basically, I exit the town now.
Okay.
Blue Fields area.
Okay, heading into Blue Fields. Alright. Oh, it's a nice little park, this.
No, that one is hard.
Oh, art. Oh, I see the ocean there.
Yeah, man, the ocean.
Yeah, look at that, my people. See that?
Cologne.
Colodo.
Yeah, the scheme.
Oh, Colodo scheme. Turco House Sports Bar. What that there? Whoa, look at that, man. Can all them things that destroyed. Jeez. The people. Whoa.
Up here, so the rich people live now. Doctors, lawyer, you name it. Judge up in the scheme right up here, so.
Okay.
Be a lawyer, doctor, and judge live up in them place, sir.
Alright.
Yeah, man.
This man.
Leaving White House, heading to Blue Fields now.
Heading into Blue Fields. New Fields.
Nice beach, man.
Whoa, look at this. Wow. Beautiful beach.
Sandals is right down here as well.
Okay, Sandals down,
Yes,
down this
South
area.
Sandals.
South Sandals.
Yes.
Found out is that the reason why you see so many downpours is because they are working from both ends of the country. So some are working from the west end and some are working from the east to meet into the middle. So all of the work is going to combine and come into one at the end. So don't watch what you see right now because work is still going on. Still, okay? Alright, so Sandals this. This is Sandals, South Coast Jamaica. Yeah. Not looking bad, but it's not looking good. Container fly, everything down here, say, you know. I saw a Belmont, you say, right? Watch ya, beachfront, mash up, watch ya. Watch ya. Watch ya. No property, no escape this from the beachfront. Watch ya. Look at this. Look at this. Whoa. This place was it the hardest, right? This is where the eye passed through. Look at this. This was once a vibrant place, right? Whoa, look at this. Tourist attraction. What up, Bel Air or something like? Oh, Belmont upon it. Oh. Whoa, look at this, my people. The ocean looks beautiful though. Oh, beautiful white sand. Oh Lord. Look at the devastation. I will not talk about radio station or police station. Crazy out here, man. Sometimes we laugh and make joke, but it's serious. See, look there. Whoa, that man there live with chapel and all of them something like church of God. Yo, watch it. Oh, look at this, man. Beautiful ocean, my people. Devastation is real all around, right around. I don't think nowhere down here was spared. That is my assumption at the moment. Especially near the coastline. I don't think nothing was spared. It's crazy. But the land rich still, cause the land really a come back quick. Really, me never expect to see the land this lush and pretty at this moment. This place, like a nice little spot and the ocean front. It's a park?
Bluefields Park.
Oh, it's Bluefields Park. So we just passed Bluefields Park, heading to the west end of Westmoreland. Yeah, that is it. Got this nice villa. But it's a nice view, my people, along the main road here. beautiful ocean view, and we are now elevated above the ocean, which is pretty nice. There's a nice view right now. But trust me, the people you don't want to lose control on these roads, because it's not going to be pretty. Wow, look at this one, beautiful Jamaica, man. We're in beautiful Westmoreland. Westmoreland. Alright. Banana tree grow back, you know. Plants grow back. Just some young banana tree spring up. You know, say those were destroyed during the hurricane. And to see it growing back now. I was saw some earlier back where we were coming from. So it's a good look, my people. Good look. And you see it bare greenery, lush greenery. This year I wasn't like this a few months back.
Get it in the bro.
Shell down. But I also shell down too. Tree them, the fire tree them fall down. People still try to recover from this same way. When the gas station destroyed. Oh, don't see people them are wash, so people are wash out here, so Jaja God, you see that? No water on the down them side here, no people. So in order for you wash or for some people get clean laundry, you have to come by the riverside. Yeah, so this is the lifestyle of people living in Westmoreland at the moment. Yeah, no light, no water. So right now we're on a back road. The road ahead was closed, so we had to make a detour. So this is like a back road we're on right now. But we're not talking about Port Tennessee and Portmore back road, this, you know, a different back road this. I'm giving you a bird's eye view of one of the areas that was badly impacted by the hurricane. What I want to show you is the major improvement from the last time. These areas were badly impacted and there is a major difference on the landscape because there is greenery all around. Which part are we there?
Alright, so we're there in a okay, so we are entering a Savlamar now. Okay. So we're there right in one place called Gully Bank side.
Okay, Gully Bank.
Yeah, Gully Bank is right at the side of the hospital. The hospital is right down there. We approach the hospital shortly.
Alright.
So the area now, mostly bar and something in the area.
Okay.
Westmoreland is known for the most bars. A lot of bars in Westmoreland.
Jaja God.
Down here inside basically they call it the town area of Savlamar.
If we call it Westmoreland.
Westmoreland.
Jaja God. Yeah, I love how you know what go on in the areas can give me. Yeah, can give me a detail.
2 years there, man, bro.
Jaja.
Up and around, working in the world in here. 2 years.
So the boss, well familiar.
Yeah, place nice. A lot of good people there here, man. I tell you, people who are knowledgeable about a lot of things in society there here. So all of retired people from overseas, all over the world there here as well in Westmoreland, because they love the natural habitat and they love the beach and all that. So down here, so nice.
Alright. So
I go to the western in Westmoreland now. So I go like local London, Sheffield and them places there.
Alright. Yeah, so you hear from somebody who used to live here and been a travel down these sides, so him know where him talk, him not gain a double. That's what I say. Alright, so we out. Alright, so we in a Savlamar. One time I look at you and say Savlamar.
You see it for real?
Yeah.
Savlamar.
Yeah. Jaja. Yes.
Sav, them people in the country call it Sav.
Sav, okay.
Sav town.
Sav town.
And they hear them say them are got Sav, you know, in a town.
Alright, and we don't have no Sav clown down here, so. Be a big Benz and big crown. This is a one-way street, this.
Yeah, one way go back where I come from, maybe and go Negri.
Okay.
That's the name, Tantan, the great Tantan fries and chicken. The baddest thing on the block. Tantan fries and chicken.
Okay. Okay. Alright. Boss, I show me what I go on, you know.
See, Manning's High School over there.
Alright, this is Manning's. Judge God. Mash up. No school for no for youths, them man, Jaja. All them auditorium roof gone, and them auditorium this door I front.
Yeah, man, them
auditorium gone. Jaja. Yo, so I see the back of the school, see a light post down here, it's the back of the school. Wall 2 highest team of people. But this is the community. Yeah. And it's not looking bad. Still, it's not looking bad. This section right here. And otherwise on the roof.
Down here, so kind of more relaxed with the storm.
Okay.
There's too much damage to going back. When I touch them, so that yes, the name Landilo.
Landilo.
Yeah, Landilo phase 1, phase 2, and she's a big scheme.
Okay, okay.
So when they touch Landilo, going go through Landilo, go Beer Road. The Beer Road, Little London. I want to say Little London, Little damn bad.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
She come from Little London.
Okay,
yeah, man, London.
Okay, I eat this. Alright. They are Jamaica, you know, but they are local London. Alright. We don't know, man.
See, sign there. Give it everything.
Okay. Town centre back that way, to my left. So local London, Sheffield and Negril to this side, this location. This side. No? Wow. Hey, the whole of the roof you peel off and park over there, say, you know? This was a Airbnb? Wow. I the same thing I talk about with small business, you know. This can affect a lot of small business. Some small business might not recover from things like this.
Never recover.
Yeah.
A lot of them will
never recover from something like this, bro. Me I tell you, man, Jaja, it's rough. Yo.
On the center field, on the call center in Westmoreland right now.
Yeah, this is a big building
This
here.
building right here, call center.
And it look unscathed still, like them be prepared, like them back neat up or something. Oh.
Fresh to renovate it,
new build. Okay.
This is a bit 1-year-old building.
Oh. Teleperformance. Okay. Okay. Right across you have a few bars here and some other residential homes. This is our update on what the place looks like at the moment. 2026 January the 4th. Sunday. So in Sheffield town right now, going up the hill, and we're on the west side of Jamaica right now.
So they almost reached Negril.
Almost.
Border of Negril right now.
Okay, we're on the border of Negril. You see it? My people. So right now, cruising through.
The place and I really getting a bad impact from the storm.
Okay.
Yeah, 1 and 2 things. The place mash up, but then I getting a bad impact.
Okay, so this place was lightly affected by the hurricane. Yeah. We should give thanks to that because we don't want to see the whole country mash up because that's done worse. So whichever year I get spared, we give thanks to the Most High, you know? But we in Sheffield town and them can't take with the clown.
So this is the Negril town, guys. Just leave Sheffield, enter into the Negril town, and up here is gonna get a massive impact from the storm. The wind just blew, but nothing happened. See, our light poles are still up, still standing. The bar, them and everything we see, same thing we see up in Jamaica quarters and White House. Down here so up there so flat, down here so alright. Down here so they really get affected by the storm like that. So
yeah.
This is a Negril town, guys. This is a tourist area now.
Alright.
This is when you pass the police station and go down tourist area.
Alright. You know long when I come them place, man. She's Rosie. Remember them place, yeah? Jaja God. Remember the last time we come on big storm, they pass through and mash up the whole of down here, you know. Yeah, all water that run and come over pan right out here, say, you know. Always come round so come buy food more while right here, so we buy food. Yeah. Yeah. It would mash up. It would mash up, watch ya. Watch ya. Watch ya. Watch ya. Watch ya. It would mash up, watch ya. Yes people, look at this, man. Right on the beach front today. As you can see, we're in Nigger Town. Last time we came here, it is not looking much different. Oh, jeez, I remember this place here. Yes sir, remember this place. Last time we came here about 2 years ago. Jeez, yo. Watcha. Last time we were here, there was a whole lot of seaweed and there wasn't a lot of water here because of the storm. So I am really glad to see that the place is back to normal.
God is good, man. We are going to rise back stronger.
Yeah. Up on the fence. Hold on, this is a water circle. Oh, this is Nigger Golf Club. Alright. Nigger Hills Golf Club. See the entrance there? That is the entrance. The main road that everyone knows is somewhere over this side. You know, so we are on the back road or the old main road. South road. Yeah, south side road.
We go up to Mandeville on them side.
Alright.
Next side, other side of the Mobile.
Okay. Yeah, so we make a little stop right here, have some food place and some shop and thing, you know. So we're on the same road, but as you can see, around this side haven't been affected that badly, so we give thanks, you know. So we're on the main road, we're heading that way. Location where all of the contractor them will come in, come help out to the relief for build back Jamaica. So this is the location right off the main road. This is the south. What you call it? South? Yes, sir?
South side, yeah, man.
Yeah, south side. So we're on the south side. You know?
The one of the soldiers them stay as well.
Okay, so the soldiers them over here so too. So them have defense and everything over there. So one more the truck them here. See it there? Night catch the people. How much power there, bro?
Blue fields are there, man.
Blue fields. Alright, back in blue fields in the night. You see it in the day, now you see it in the night. Alright. So the next thing, we're in Belmont. But while we're coming up along the road, we notice that there's no light along these areas. All of these lights you're seeing are solar lights. Yeah, all of these lights you're seeing right now are solar lights. So there's no current, no electricity at this point. As you see, people are standing in the dark, looking at their homes. There's the ocean and the sunset view over there, looking marvelous and spectacular. Spectacular. I was going to say spectaculous. I knew where that. Well, it's a vibrant, nice little beach spot. Solar lights, looking at solar lights. Solar lights. Look at that. Solar. And who have generator, but solar lights. Look at that. Here's a generator going off over there. What is the school is?
Yeah, Belmont Academy.
Oh, Belmont Academy, okay. Belmont Academy. Alright, so back out to food place. Hey, what is the name again? Barda.
St. Elizabeth and
Yeah.
Westmoreland.
Yeah, but as you can see, most of the vendors close off for the night. Have one and few still here. Oh, no. See more here, but them look like them are closed off still. But people still out here, man. Look at the food nice out here, man. Cause beer people out here. Just a talk about the cow them, you know, and watch them in the road. Just a talk about them and talk about Portland, you know. And start chuck this in, man. You want to hear this when this bark, you know. Turn on the way so we can hear him when step in it. So, yeah, I left him.